Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hima Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a very popular Kerala snack. We're going to make this delicious Pazham Pori made with a special variety banana which is called Nendram Banana. So let's get started and check it out. Here are all the ingredients needed for this recipe. First we'll get the batter ready. Take a big mixing bowl and add 1 cup of Maida, that is all-purpose flour. This is a 250 ml cup measurement. To this, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of rice flour, a pinch of salt, quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder for an amazing aroma, and a pinch of turmeric powder, and finally a tablespoon of Jaggery powder. Now you can replace this with sugar as well and mix it all once before adding the water. Then gradually add water to bring it to the right consistency. Now I have added 1 cup of water. The batter shouldn't be too thick or too runny. It should be in the dosa batter consistency. The batter should coat the banana slices nicely. Once your batter looks smooth and perfect, add a pinch of baking soda, mix it and keep it aside. For this recipe, I'm using 4 ripe Nendram Banana variety of bananas. Peel off the skin, cut off the edges. Now cut it into half and slice it vertically to get slightly big pieces. If you prefer, you can also cut it into smaller pieces. Cut all the bananas in the same manner and keep it ready. The secret of this recipe is using the sweet ripened Nendram variety bananas. Now with our banana slices and batter ready, it's time to fry. Heat enough oil in a wide pan, not a kadai this time. A wide pan helps the slices cook more evenly. Dip each banana slice into the batter, coat it completely and gently drop it into the hot oil. Don't overcrowd the pan. Once it's cooked on one side and it turns to a nice golden color, flip it over to the other side and cook it completely. Thanks to the rice flour, you'll get that extra crunch on the outside while the inside stays soft, sweet and full of banana goodness. Fry till golden brown and there you have it, sizzling hot, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside Pazham Pori ready to be enjoyed. And place them on a paper towel to soak up the extra oil. You can enjoy these delicious and crispy Pazham Poris with some nice hot chai by the side. Well, these Pazham Poris are just perfect. I'm going to have one nice and hot. Nice and crispy on the outside and it's so soft and so sweet on the inside. Wow. I can actually enjoy about 4 or 5 of these. They're so good. Well, make sure you get these ripe Nendram Banana for this particular recipe and follow all the steps to get them perfectly. I really enjoyed them. It's a wonderful evening tea time snack. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.